Thank you for joining me. Today we're making our twisted headband with our 5mm hook. So let's get started with our slip knot. Around my 2 fingers, make an X, use your hook, go over, under, pull through. There's your loop, your first slip knot. So pull through. You don't want it too tight because you will have to insert your hook into it. So loosen it up and get it on there. I'm just trying to position it on the right side. So now I'm going to make my 80 chains. This will be the circumference of the headband. So depending on the size of your head, I use this to measure from one of my stretchy headbands. It was the same size as that, but if you need a larger one or a smaller one, feel free to reduce or increase your chains from here. So once you finish the chains, that's how the circumference will be for your headband. So whatever you need, add or take away. So here I'm just doing the 80 chains. I'm just going to speed this up. It's just chaining, chain, 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 chain. And I'll see you when I'm finished. So now you've finished your chains, and we are going to do our first half double crochet. So you're going to yarn over your hook and then insert onto the second loop from the hook. Yarn over, pull through. Then you have 3 loops on your hook, and we will yarn over and pull through all 3 of the loops. So then you have 1 loop left. You're going to do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next loop, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 of the loops. Again, we're going to take our loop, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops, pull through all 3 after you yarn over. So again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. So you're going to continue this through all 80 of the stitches. So this is just where your next stitch will be. Now that you're at the end of your first row, we have 2 stitches left. Same for these last 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. And our last one, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 3. Now we're going to chain 1 and then turn your work. Now on your row 2, you're going to be operating in the back loops of all of the half double crochets that you've already finished. So here in the first front and back loops. So your front loop is going to be closest to you and your back loop is near your finger. So yarn over, insert your hook into that back loop near your finger up, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through the 3 loops. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through the 3 loops. So as you can see, the only difference from row 2 from row 1 is that you have to insert your hook into the back loops. Each of these rows you'll be doing the stitches into the back loops rather than the front loops. This will give you that ribbing effect when you finish your headband. So just make sure to keep going in the backs of your previous half double crochet. I'm just gonna speed it up. You can check your work. Go all the way to the end of your 80. And I will see you guys at the end of your 12th row. So for this, you can make it as thick as you would like for the width of your headband. So how far you want it to go back, it'll still be twisted in the front. So I am going to do 12 rows, continuously chaining 1 and turning my work and operating in the back loops. Now I've finished my 12 chains and I just pulled my hook through. Now I'm going to fold the ends hamburger style so we can make that twist. So each end we're going to fold hamburger and make them go inside of each other's hamburgers. Open it and insert gears and fold them over, making a zigzag. So this part we're using our stitch markers. You want to make sure that they're all aligned from the tip of them so that we stitch them together properly. So insert our stitch markers here, making sure everything is lined up, because we want our stitches to be on the right row. Now that we have our stitch markers in, we're going to take our hook and insert through 4 layers of them, yarn over, pull through all 4 layers, and pull it to the top and make a slip stitch and just pull through that loop. So insert your hook through the 4 layers. Once you get to the end, yarn over, pull through all 4, and then pull through. You're going to do this all the way to the end. You're just inserting your hook through the 4 layers. This is just sewing it together. Some people like to use the needle to sew them together. I would prefer this method because I know for sure that it's on there with the slip stitches and I don't have to worry about it later of tying off at the end. This is just my preferred method. So we're just going to yarn over and pull through. And you can make this as close or as far away as you want to. I would suggest doing it close together so that there's no holes in your twist, because this will be at the front of your head of your twisted headband. And you're just doing slip stitches here and pull it in tight. So yeah, keep doing this until the end. And we'll see your beautiful work once you're finished. Have it. You can cut your tails for your lovely headband that you've made yourself. Good job. So if you really like this headband and you like these videos, stick around and we'll make more together. You should be proud of yourself. You did great. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.